Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's make a quick no-sew journal. So, in today's video, we shall be using some old envelopes. I'm recycling envelopes. And I'll also be using some unused Christmas cards. So these are leftover from last year's Christmas and we shall be using it. Now this is a book page from a children's book that I got at the charity store, and I'll also be using this in my journal. I've also got some washi tapes. I've got my double-sided tape. Remember, we're not sewing, so we're just using tapes and staples. Spare papers, some craft papers that I got also from the charity store, and this is also from inside of a book, and we shall be using that. I also have some tabs here for embellishment. I got them from the charity store as well, and we shall be using them today. So we'll set that aside. We'll be using 2 of our gift tags. Now, I've also got some other cute little envelopes over here, and they might also be going into our no-sew journal. So these are all recycled envelopes, and as we build the journal, we'll see where we want to glue or stick things down. I've got more beautiful craft paper which I shall be using to embellish my journal pages. So let's get started. I also forgot to mention that I made this, would I call it a ribbon tape now? So this is a glue, double-sided glue tape. I stuck it down to this side, so I'll be using this for my embellishment, especially my edges, and to give my corners more integrity and some, beauty. So I'll put those tapes aside for now because we don't need them, and I'll show you how I made this. Now I've got this beautiful embellishment for cheap buds, and I got them also at the charity store. Even though they are meant for cheap buds, they will be going on our journal today. By the time we're done, I would have selected or made up my mind on which of these embellishments will be going for. Finally, I have this cut out from a children's book, and I shall be cutting different shapes and colors, or maybe even the write-ups, to use in this journal. So I'm going to be using this for my journal cover. This is an old Christmas card, so I would like to cover this up, and I'll be using this book as the cover. So this, we do it like this, fit in here for now. That would be our journal cover. I don't know if it will work yet. Let's just try. Let's see. Let's have some tape. So that's our cover page done. Now let's deal with our signatures. I got from the charity store, so I'm going to fold it in half. Remember, we're not measuring. This is just a quick and easy junk journal. So I'd love to cover the inside. Too busy. I don't know if I like it or not. I have this beautiful price tag, and that will be the first one I will be starting with. I could actually cover this bit. So our journal pages are together and it is almost time to bind. Open it up. Tiny stapler. I'm going to try this. If it doesn't work, then I'll be tying it. I'll be using a tie rope. So okay, I'll try the other one here, right in the middle, and that went in all right. So here is a tip for you. If you're doing the stapler or stapling method, you want to put a soft stuff under, so that's why the staple was able to just go in. Not quite in the middle where I want it to be, but that will do just fine. So I'm going to go on to push the pins down. Pins are down. So, and this is it. Here is our front page. Another page, another page. I love this page, it's beautiful. That. So, our cover page, No Sew Junk Journal. I picked up from the charity store. And that's just an old envelope. and there's a little note